Washing machines and home gym equipment, like treadmills and running machines, as well as bass speakers, are notorious for producing vibrational sound that travels into the floor joists and cavity and irritates the occupants below. We have produced an anti-vibration pad that will help reduce this problem. This 20mm rubber panel is made from recycled car tyres, so not only does it reduce vibration, it is also good for the planet. It decouples the floor from the machine or object and helps absorb the vibration. We suggest you lay them directly on the floor and then add a layer of wooden board on top of the pad to support the legs or feet of the appliance and stop it from digging into the rubber. This can be bought from any large hardware store. The pads are 1 meter square and are very dense. They are resilient to moisture and easy to cut with a traditional saw or jigsaw. The Anti-Vibration Pad from Sound Service Oxford Limited. Available to buy from www.soundservice.co.uk. Please note, we only provide the black rubber anti-vibration pad and not any wood boarding that will sit on top.